Hi everyone! When God created Adam and breathed his soul into him, he commanded the angels, bow before him. Every angel obeyed, except one. His name was Iblis. The Quran tells us that he refused. That arrogance entered his heart, and that pride pulled him away from obedience. God asked him, "Why did you not prostrate?" Iblis answered, "I am better than him. You created me from fire and created him from clay." And in that single moment, the most dangerous mindset in history was born. Ego. Iblis did not deny God. He did not reject God's existence. He rejected God's decision. His ego felt insulted. And when ego is wounded, truth is no longer accepted. Even today, people speak the same words. I know more. I am more intelligent. I don't need guidance. This is not confidence. This is the psychology of Iblis. Now look at it through philosophy. Iblis believed fire was superior to clay, but he failed to understand a deeper truth. Value does not come from origin. Value comes from purpose. Fire is powerful. Fire is fast, but fire does not give life. Clay is quiet. Clay is humble, yet life is shaped from it. Iblis compared substances, but he never understood meaning. The prostration was never for Adam. It was for the command of God. When someone challenges authority, they place themselves above it. And this is where a being truly falls. Not because of force, but because of pride. God commanded Iblis to leave. Remember this clearly. Iblis was not pushed down. He fell by himself. Because the one who never learns to bow will eventually learn how to break. Later, Iblis asked for time and swore to mislead humanity. His weapon was not power. His weapon was illusion. The illusion of control. I have time. I will change later. I am still in control. Adam also made a mistake. But Adam did not defend his ego. He did not justify his error. He said, "Our Lord, we have wronged ourselves." And this is the difference between a human and a devil. The one who accepts his mistake remains human. The one who insists his mistake is right becomes a devil. The Sufis teach us that prostration is not for the body. It is for the ego to break. Whoever bows walks the path of Adam. Whoever remains stubborn walks the path of Iblis. The devil is not sitting outside us. He sits within us, inside our pride. And bowing before Allah is not weakness. It is the final proof.